Stop number one here at it's called Green Ribbon Trail. It's 12 Mile Creek. It's a nice pond. This time of year we see certain species coming by, such as the Caspian terns. So that's kind of our main subject for today, but I'm sure we'll see a few spring migrants.
So this is a pretty good location near us to go birding. Along the sides and along the back there's a wooded area, so you can get birds up in the trees, but there's also Martindale Pond, so the pond flows into this part of the trail and you get water on both sides, so you get the opportunity for waterfowl, blue herons, green herons, a couple wood ducks every once in a while, so good chance to get a variety of species. Stop number two, down in historical Port Dalhousie here in St. Catharines. Have a marina in behind us. Lots of seagulls and pigeons, but the odd gem you might be able to find in there in terms of waterfowl.
Northern pintail's been here, northern shoveler's been here, buffleheads might still be around, and even a swan.
We're at the stop 3 for today, last stop here at Jones Beach, Port Weller East Trail, often referred to as. The first two trails that we went to today, both Green Ribbon and Port Dalhousie, are really good quick birding options. It's always really nice to have those spots that you can just pop into and see if there's any action or any activity for the day. This particular trail, a little bit of a longer commitment, about 2.5 kilometer walk out to the pond, where migrating waterfowl like to stop in. We're gonna go see what's out there.
Just had a great session with a Downy Woodpecker. He was well lit from the western sun, and he hung onto the side of the tree so we could get him. He was actually poking his beak into a little hole, and lots of catch light on his eye. And what I do in those situations, I turn the camera portrait-wise to get the full body of the bird on the screen, and I was able to get a bunch of really great shots. You want me to do it?
So we just left Port Weller East. Pretty successful trip. Downy Woodpecker, kinglets,
Cardinals,
song sparrows.
yeah,
When we got to the pond,
northern flicker.
yeah, northern flicker. Nice surprise when we got to the pond, northern shoveler. Really beautiful bird. We don't see him all that often. He's only here March, April.
Yeah, this is it.
And then they're gone. And then another great surprise, which took a little investigating, was the green-winged teal. Made an appearance. Very, very brief. Circled in, landed while we were hiding in the brush, and then there for maybe a minute, 2 minutes, and then took off.
It was a flock of about 8 to 10 of them flew in, and they're really amazing flyers. They were doing flips and stuff as they or spirals as they were flying in, and they were in very briefly, but we snapped off a few shots before they left.
So overall, successful early April birding trip to get some of those quick migrants in. Felt good to be out. Beautiful day. We had some pretty crazy weather the last little while. From torrential downpour rain to snow yesterday. So we will take this sunny spring day to get out birding and make the most of it.